You see my friends in the background? They just climbed that waterfall without me. Because they're like, we're gonna get out here because there's a cat down here somewhere. So they just left me to die. So if I die, tell my parents I'm sorry that I'm gonna miss Sunday dinner. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And for not taking that girl out for ice cream. Yeah. Anyways, I'm at the waterfall, as you can see. It is really awesome. I'm with my friends, and we went down that waterfall, which was fun. And that's it. And I'm waving to them, and they're on the video camera. I don't know if you can see them, but they're walking up there somewhere. They just waved at me. And I need to get a haircut. Yes, I do. I don't care who you are. And I don't care if you don't know me or know me. I don't care. I need a haircut. If anyone can cut hair very good, I need a haircut. So yeah, this was going to be like a 20-second timeout, but I may be down here for a while, so yeah. Anyways, they're parked up there. They're grabbing some sort of weapon to defend ourselves from the cat. I'm gonna use my native hands and protect myself when it comes. Look how white my arms are. So I'm trying to get tan also. So yeah, the water's like super cold. There's like ice up there in the shade. The wind's blowing, so I'm sorry if like the wind's disturbing the video. I know that some of you are like, wait, how can we only see videos on Facebook? And I'm like, I don't know. Probably because I'm not friends with you on any other social network. So I'm gonna give you every single social network that I'm on. You can check it out. It'll be fun. There's like netlog, there's blogspot, there's all poetry with all my words and stuff. Yeah, today's gonna be a fun day. And yeah, I just love that waterfall in the background. I'll probably take a few pictures maybe. I don't know. My arm's getting tired holding you. I'm holding you, audience. I'm holding you. Haha, just kidding. Anyways, so yeah. Hopefully I don't drop my camera. I hope there's no kitty cat coming at me. Because I'm scared of kitty cats. Because they kill people. So yeah. Now you can see my face and hair better. If you like it, you know. What else? What else? What else is in the news? I don't know. We're just out here on a Sunday with Eric and Bob. So many reasons why. Hey, look, there they are. Yeah! They're bringing me my water. And my water has steroids in it. Because look, I'm a weak bean. Just kidding, it doesn't have steroids in it. That was not, this video is not evidence aiming towards that. So yeah. Subscribe. Remember, waves the word, and that word is subscribity. And remember to click the like-ity and dislike-ity button. And watch all my videos. They all have an important message in all of them. There's a moral. And today's moral is don't F with kitty cats. Because if he attacks me, I'm gonna go after every kitty cat I see. Yeah. I'll do that.